it again. I already bid my Juno. Now I'm going to bid my bulldozer. Okay, let's get started. So what should I start? Yeah, the wheels. Hi. So guys, I did the wheel already, so I'm going to do the other one. Daddy, can you come here, please?
What about?
Hi.
Okay.
Auntie Sue and his Auntie Sue. Guys, this looks like a monster. So
Okay, next.
next thing I'm going to do. What should I do next? Do this.
The body, the bend.
That it goes here.
You assemble first, the back. But this one, you must there.
Maybe like this.
Can I see the bottom?
Daddy.
Can I see?
Wait, I'm going to see. Wait,
Yeah, that's the right one.
like this.
No, must be at the back. Here.
Like this.
Okay.
Then
Okay, this one doesn't hold. Yeah, correct. But you must put, this one first. Then second this one. Same thing as the driller. There. Okay. Then then
this cannot get out.
there you go. The other way around. There. And then you put the screw.
No, wait. The ball.
The bolt. Okay. Good.
Oh, they just fell out.
There.
Then we go. Let's screw this. It has screw.
Okay. There you go. And the rest will be easy peasy. Oh, forgot to put the back. Johan is the builder. Build cars. That one must be, you go to the under. underneath. There you go. Then you put in front. Need help? Okay, that way, so good. Then let me help you. Okay, then there you go. Hold it.
Hey.
Okay, and the roof. There you go.
Hi.
Done. There you go.
Okay.
Where's your bulldozer?
Bulldozer.
Alright. Then where's the other two?
The other two is my friend Mateo. He's only 4 years old. And when he becomes 5, I
Hold
will
it.
be...
3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
Johan the builder.